Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, January 23rd. We didn't get that level of commitment I was looking for on Friday. I expected a stronger move here, stronger close for the NASDAQ market. It did give us a bit of a rally, but it also backed off similar to what we saw on Thursday. So it implies a market that's kind of wait and see. We've had this change in government. And I think the market is saying, okay, that's happened. Now let's see what happens. And so I'm looking for Monday to be a quiet day, actually a sideways to possibly higher day on Monday. The reason I say that is that it depends on what happens in Asia on Sunday night here in Chicago. How they begin is probably how we're going to end on Monday. In the U.S. dollar, the euro, well, it got stronger. U.S. dollar got weaker. That's not what I was expecting, but as we talked about, or maybe it was in the advanced video, this structure here overall for the euro was positive coming into Friday's action. I just really didn't expect any follow through. And on Monday, I don't look for a dramatic move also in this market. It does imply a higher move. I'm a little skeptical of it, but right now, that's the behavior we're looking for. And in the 10-year notes, it makes sense. Logical behavior in terms of structure based upon what we've seen with the S&P. It implies that it's bouncy. I don't look for strong follow-through, though, to the upside. Gold, also a mixed bag, very neutral. There's no strong reason for this market to rally. If it could have held above 12.15, a different story. But right now I'm looking for a sideways move for Monday. And in crude oil, we have a bit of a rally. The fundamentals are still bearish for this market. I do not look for a dramatic move to the upside, rather an inside day on Monday. And in soybeans, we traded below that bearish level. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $2,700 a contract, and I look for an up day on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful weekend. Looking forward to being with you again next week. And in the meantime, take care.